As a business owner in the trucking industry, it is crucial to understand and comply with the International Fuel Tax Agreement, or IFTA, as it is commonly known. Failure to do so can result in hefty fines and penalties, not to mention a damaged reputation. By the way, we will complete your IFTA return, including overdue returns, at iftareturn.com. Also, everything trucking topics can be found at truckingtopics.com. In this video, we will discuss the basics of IFTA and provide valuable information on how to stay compliant. So, what is IFTA? IFTA is an agreement between the United States and Canada, as well as 48 US states and 10 Canadian provinces. Its purpose is to simplify the reporting and payment of fuel taxes by motor carriers that operate in multiple jurisdictions. You can think of jurisdictions as states. Instead of having to obtain separate fuel permits and file individual tax returns, in each state or province, carriers can now report and pay all their fuel taxes to a single jurisdiction, which is their base state or province. To participate in IFTA, carriers must register with their base state or province and obtain an IFTA license and decals for each of their vehicles. They must also keep detailed records of all their fuel purchases and usage, including the date, location, amount, and type of fuel. So, how can you stay compliant? To stay compliant with IFTA, carriers must file quarterly fuel tax returns and remit the appropriate taxes to their base jurisdiction. These returns must include all fuel purchases and usage during the reporting period, as well as the total miles traveled in each jurisdiction. Ever wonder why, as a company driver, part of your trip sheet included mileage in the states you drove in, and the gallons of fuel you purchased in each state? IFTA compliance is the reason. Carriers must also maintain their records for at least 4 years, in case of an audit. In addition to the quarterly fuel tax returns, carriers may be subject to other reporting requirements, such as annual mileage reporting, trip permit reporting, or special fuel tax reporting. It is essential to stay informed and up to date on all the rules and regulations that apply to your business. Don't be shut down for clerical oversights or mistakes. The consequences of non-compliance with IFTA can be severe. Carriers who fail to file their fuel tax returns or pay their taxes on time may be subject to penalties and interest charges, as well as suspension or revocation of their IFTA license. In extreme cases, carriers may even face criminal charges. Understanding and complying with IFTA is critical for the success of your trucking business. By registering with your base state or province, obtaining an IFTA license and decals, and keeping detailed records of your fuel purchases and usage, you can simplify your reporting and payment of fuel taxes, avoid fines and penalties, and maintain a positive reputation. Remember to stay informed and up to date on all the rules and regulations that apply to your business to ensure continued compliance with IFTA. If you have any questions on IFTA, you can email Tony at tony@truckingtopicstoday.com. Here are a few videos that YouTube thinks you would like. Please like, subscribe and share. Be safe.